Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, and happy Valentine's Day if you celebrate, or happy Galentine's Day if you celebrate that. I happen to celebrate both. Today, I wanted to share with you what I got for Valentine's Day and also what I gifted my family and friends and loved ones for Valentine's Day. Now, I am a huge believer that the most important, the most precious gift in the world is the gift of time, because you can always earn more money, you can always buy more things, but you cannot get your time back. So this month, I wanted to gift my family the gift of time with Factor. This video is very generously sponsored by Factor. Factor makes meeting your nutritional goals so much easier by delivering fresh, never frozen, and dietitian-approved meals direct to your doorstep. They have a team of gourmet chefs and dietitians to approve their weekly options, so there's always something new for you to try. What I love about Factor is that not only are the meals super nutritious, but they are ready to eat. After they're delivered to your door, you just throw them in the fridge. It only takes 2 minutes to prep them, and there is no mess to clean up. So it saves me so much time and energy. I don't have to go to the grocery store. I don't have to chop and prep and then clean up and do the dishes. I have 3 boys. They are involved in a ton of after-school activities, and sometimes I'm just way too busy to cook. So with Factor, I can just skip a trip to the grocery store. I can skip chopping, prepping, cleaning up. They are super easy to prep. It takes 2 minutes to get ready, and then there is no mess afterwards. It's such a great and healthy alternative to takeout. Not only is Factor cheaper and healthier than takeout, but the meals are ready faster than restaurant delivery because it only takes, again, 2 minutes to prep. Factor saves me so much time from going to the grocery store and cleaning, cooking, and prepping that I now have more time to spend with my family. Factor is also super flexible. We've been going on a lot of trips recently, so if I want to skip a week, I can cut down on the number of meals, or if we have family or guests coming into town, or if one of us is traveling and we just, maybe need more meals, it is super easy to adjust our order. Factor also has tons of nutritious options to keep my fridge well stocked. They have smoothies and green juice options, which is great for snacking. They also have this really great keto snickerdoodle, like a cookie bar. It is so good. It's individually wrapped, so it's great to just throw in my bag so I have an extra snack. We are traveling again soon, so I plan on bringing some of them with me in my carry-on bag. So if you're interested in trying it out and saving yourself some time, head to factor75.com and use my code AHeatedMess50 to save 50% off your first Factor box. I will also have all the information in the description below, so you can use my code, click the link below, and save yourself some time this year. Thank you again, Factor, for sponsoring this video, and let's get to the rest of the Valentine's Day gifts, including this necklace that I'm wearing. This was a gift from my 3 lovely boys. They also got me the matching bracelet right here. This set is called the Jess, and it's from Kendra Scott. And when this first came out, this came out a few weeks ago, or maybe a couple months ago at this point. When it first came out, I saw pictures of it and I just was really drawn to it. I really liked the design. It looked so different to me and something that I hadn't seen before. But then I realized that it is kind of inspired by the Tiffany hardware collection. So it has these, links, but they have like almost these ball bearings on the side, and then it has this really cool padlock and the padlock is the actual way to open it. It opens up like that. So here's the chain without the lock. The padlock itself has the little Kendra Scott logo right there. And to close it up, you just link it through here, and then it's adjustable. You just put it through the other link and it goes through the hole. And there you go. It's so cool. The necklace is the same way, and I really like the way this necklace opens and closes because, again, I prefer when you can open and close it from the front so that your hands aren't getting buried like underneath your hair. So this is it again, closed up. And there you go. Now I realize that I love the look of the Tiffany hardware design, but I do not like the price tag. The bracelet version from the Tiffany hardware collection starts at about $5,000 because it's pretty much only in solid gold. And then the necklace is $16,000. So I like the design. I don't like it $16,000 worth. So I love that Kendra Scott has this. So it was a gift from the boys with his help. Another pro tip with Kendra Scott is during the month of your birthday, they offer a 50% discount off one item. So even if it's not your birthday month, if you have kids, you just need to show their birth certificate, and they'll also, extend the 50% off discounts during your kid's birthday month. So we were able to get this for 50% off. I also got my watch band from Kendra Scott. I've really been enjoying Kendra Scott's stuff recently. I like to mix my fine jewelry and fashion jewelry. So if you're a fan of the Tiffany hardware collection, check out the Jess bracelet and the Jess necklace from Kendra Scott. This would make a great gift for your mom, your mother-in-law, your sister, your best friend. Great Valentine's Day gift from Kendra Scott. Another piece of fashion jewelry I got recently is from Chanel. And another pro shopping tip that I have shared before, I like to shop Chanel at Nordstrom because then I earn Nordstrom notes that I can then use towards other purchases. So if I'm ever in the market for a Chanel bag, I try to find it first at a Chanel boutique within a Nordstrom so that I can use my points, use my Nordstrom card, and then earn more points. If you can find it, I recommend shopping Chanel at Nordstrom. So I got a pair of earrings. Here is the box. Here is the little pouch. And I don't know if you guys remember Chanel fashion jewelry from years ago. They used to include like a smaller dust bag, like drawstring pouch. I guess you could use this to travel, but anyway, this is what it came in, but it's not here because I'm already wearing it. And it is these earrings right here. I'll go up close so you can see. But I got a pair of these kind of like a half hoop earring. So it doesn't go all the way through. It is almost like a double hoop, like a side by side. And then it's got the double C logo right there. It's got some crystals. I just really like the design. I love Huggies. I think they're a lot more comfortable to wear. So I just picked this up. Here is the tag if you're curious. Came with a little booklet. Here is the style number. And then it's just called earrings. They never have specific names or even the colors. It's just called Golden Crystal. They retail for $5.50. I use my Nordstrom notes towards this, and then I earned Nordstrom notes, and I also use like a double points day or something like that, but very cute. I mix my metals anyway, so I wear this with silver, rose gold, and yellow gold. So that is what I gifted my loved ones and what my kids gifted me and what I gifted myself. And then this final Valentine's gift is from my husband, and it is from Cartier. I have been eyeing something from this collection for years. Let me just show it to you and then I'll explain. So here is the bag. I already did like a separate unboxing, but I'll just show you what else came in here. They are so nice at Cartier, by the way. So my lovely Cartier sales rep gifted us some perfume samples. I really need to sit down and really try out and explore the different Cartier fragrances. I don't own any, so if you have a favorite, let me know in the comments below your favorite Cartier fragrance. So here are some samples. She also threw in some chocolates. I haven't tried them out yet. Now my husband purchased this gift around the end of January. I was waiting until Valentine's Day for the unboxing, but because it was still right around Lunar New Year, my Cartier SA included the Cartier Lunar New Year red envelopes, and they do really nice ones every year. I think this is their theme. They do some red envelopes and then the gold ones. It was Year of the Rabbit, but they still have their Cartier Panther on there. For reference, this was last year's envelopes and this is this year's. I did a TikTok reel showing these, so make sure you follow me on TikTok and also Instagram because I'll always post whenever there's like deals and sales and stuff. Okay, we have the receipt here in this red envelope. We have the certificate in a white envelope, and it's in here. I'll open it up. This is what the certificate looks like at the top, and then the bottom has a stamp of the store where it was purchased, and then it's signed by, you know, whoever, the salesperson or maybe the manager, and then it's dated. Here's a little travel pouch that came with the purchase. It says Cartier right there, and then it has a little pillow. This is a huge tell. If you can guess what my husband got me, go ahead and drop it in the comments. But here is the box. I just love the Cartier packaging. And we have the Juste un Clou bracelet in yellow gold. I debated for a long time what color to get because I've really been into rose gold. Here's my rose gold wedding ring set, and the earrings that I always wear are the Evil Eye earrings from Idol Jewelry in rose gold. I just love rose gold. I love how it complements my skin tone. You know, I get pretty tan in the summer. When I wore it side by side, the yellow gold really popped. I don't know, I just love it. So this is the small Juste un Clou bracelet in yellow gold with no diamonds. I just got it plain, and that is it. You guys, I waited so long to get this because I was so confused about how it opens up. I thought that it had a hinge similar to the Love bracelet. There's two sizes. This is the small, then there's a medium, I guess. And the medium is where it has a hinge here and it opens up so that the nail part goes into the nail head and the nail head is stuck to the other side, if that makes sense. I hated that. Like, I hated how it opens. And I was like, oh, well, I guess I'm never gonna get that because I don't like how it opens up. I tried it on and it justified my reasoning. I don't like the way that style opens, but the small one doesn't open that way. The small Juste un Clou bracelet is a bypass bracelet cuff. And this is my preferred method of putting on jewelry. I have this bypass bracelet that my husband got me for Christmas last year. It is the easiest thing to take on and off. It is so comfortable to wear. It's flexible a little bit. And so it's the same thing with this. It is just so easy to take on and off. And there it is. It just pops on and off. It is so comfy. I just love this. I love this style. So there it is. It is so comfy. It's so easy to stack. I don't know why I waited this long, but I love this style. I don't see myself getting the larger size simply because I don't like that hinge opening. I just always think that anytime there is a mechanism that has to open and close, a hinge, it's more likely to have issues. I don't know. That's just my thinking. So this is just a lot easier to take care of. It's a lot less maintenance, especially that it has no diamonds. It's easy to stack. I just love this style. You guys, do you guys have this? I'm sure you do. It's very popular. Okay. I just love it. Look how shiny it is. So shiny. So here it is in the yellow gold. This bracelet my husband got from Jared. And I think this is 10 karat gold. I don't even know what this is. Actually, let's look at the booklet. This also came with this booklet here. In case you needed help, it tells you how to take it on and off. I guess it's 14 karat gold, right? That's what I'm guessing. If you're curious about the price, this retails now for $3,400. I think there was a price increase last year or a couple years ago, because I remember when I first started looking at this, it was $3,200. This is something that I will treasure forever and wear all the time. I just love this bypass style. Even my other ring, this I got from the Bottega outlets. It's a bypass ring. And even the snake ring, also from Kendra Scott. I just love that kind of wraparound style. Very nice and casual, can be dressed up. My Juste un Clou bracelet for Valentine's Day. All right, guys, that is everything that I was gifted and that I gifted for Valentine's Day. I hope you had a wonderful Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day with your family and friends and your loved ones. Thank you again, Factor, for sponsoring this video. Again, you can use my code AHeatedMess50 and the link below to save 50% off your first Factor box. Thank you again, everyone, for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.